If you're looking at a massive pile of work right now and you don't even know where to start, stop telling yourself you need to study or get everything done tonight. That's exactly why you're paralyzed. It's overwhelming because you're looking at the whole mountain at once. You need to cut it down, pick just one task. Ideally, the one with the closest deadline, and just pretend that the rest of your responsibilities don't even exist today. Now break that single task into stupidly small steps. I'm trying to master a whole subject, maybe just reading 4 pages of one chapter, or anything you can handle. Take it step by step to make it bearable. If you finish those 4 pages and your brain is totally fried, then just stop. Take the small win and go relax. Doing a tiny sloppy bit of work is always better than doing absolutely nothing because you panic.